Hey everyone, my name is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, the home of easy-to-use and versatile Excel tools that are built to simplify your workflow. Today, I'm excited to introduce a tool that's a game changer for anyone in the logistics and delivery space, the rate card-based delivery quote calculator. If you're tired of manual pricing, switching between apps, and copy-pasting data just to get a quote out, this tool is for you. For over 16 years, we've been creating smart Excel-based solutions that make complex tasks easier. From local couriers to large freight companies, over 7,500 businesses rely on our tools to save time, reduce human error, and speed up daily operations. With more than 140 five-star reviews on Google, the feedback has been incredible. People consistently tell us how our tools have helped them move faster and work smarter. If you're in the logistics industry, run a delivery service, or manage dispatch operations, you know how much time quoting can take, especially when every job is different. The rate card-based delivery quote calculator lets you generate accurate, professional quotes in seconds using your own rate card, all from within Excel. No extra software, no manual math, just seamless, reliable calculations. Using the tool is straightforward. First, go to the rate card sheet and enter your business's per mile charges along with the number of vehicles used per trip. This forms the base pricing structure that powers the quote. Then, move to the settings sheet, where you can customize additional options. This is where you'll set up your vehicle types, assign specific surcharges for each type, define the extra stop fee, and input the percentage-based adjustments if they apply to your pricing model. You'll also paste your API key here, which enables the tool to calculate mileage and drive time accurately. Once your rate card and settings are configured, you're ready to generate quotes. On the calculator sheet, paste your origin and destination. Enter how many vehicles are needed for the trip, select the vehicle type from the drop-down, and if there's an extra stop involved. Once we've done that, just click the Calculate button. In seconds, the tool will fetch the distance, calculate drive time, apply your per-mile rate and vehicle surcharge, factor in any extra stop fees, and generate the final delivery quote, all automatically and with complete accuracy. It saves you hours of manual calculations and eliminates the errors that come with jumping between spreadsheets or online calculators. You can download the Excel Rate card-based delivery quote calculator using the link in the description below. If you ever need help, our phone number and email is in the description, or you can chat with us directly on our website, www.ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. You'll always get a real person, no bots, no scripts, just helpful, hands-on support when you need it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with our latest Excel tools and automation tutorials. Until next time, happy quoting.